Welcome, Android users. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to customize your notification sounds on your Android phone. Whether you want to set a unique tone for specific apps or simply switch up your default sound, we've got you covered. Step 1. Access your phone settings. Unlock your Android device, open the Settings app. Step 2. Navigate to Sound Settings. Scroll down and tap Sound Vibration. Look for Default Notification Sound and tap it. Step 3. Choose a new sound. You'll see a list of available notification sounds. Select a sound that you like. You can choose from the default collection or even upload a custom sound, if supported. Step 4. Save your selection. Tap Save to apply the changes. Now your notifications will play the new sound you've selected. You've learned how to change notification sounds on Android. Make your phone reflect your style. Remember, a little customization goes a long way.